Your green card, officially known as the permanent resident card, is your official proof of permanent residency in the US. It's a crucial document that signifies your right to live and work in the United States indefinitely. Treat it with care, as it's more than just a piece of plastic. It's your ticket to work in any field you choose, travel freely in and out of the country, and build a future here, putting down roots and contributing to the American society. It opens doors to opportunities and provides a sense of security and belonging. It's not just an ID, it's a symbol of your commitment to the United States and the country's commitment to you. It's the foundation of your lawful status, the cornerstone of your legal presence, and a symbol of your long and often challenging journey to becoming a permanent resident. It represents years of effort, dedication, and hope for a better life. Many are surprised, and sometimes even shocked, to learn that the card itself expires every 10 years. This expiration doesn't affect your permanent resident status, but it does require you to take action. Your permanent resident status is indefinite, even though the physical card has an expiration date. Think of it like your driver's license. The privilege to drive continues, but the physical license needs renewal. The government requires renewal for security reasons, allowing them to update your information and ensure the integrity of the system. It's a necessary step to maintain a secure and reliable record-keeping process. It also allows the government to keep your information up to date, ensuring they have your current address and other relevant details. This is crucial for communication and official record-keeping. An expired card can make it surprisingly difficult to prove your right to work to potential employers, leading to unnecessary delays and complications in the hiring process. Similarly, an expired card can cause issues when you try to re-enter the country after international travel, potentially leading to questioning and delays at the border. Imagine landing your dream job, the culmination of your hard work and aspirations. Or returning from a long-awaited trip to see family and friends back home, eager to share your experiences. An expired card could cost you both these opportunities, turning excitement into frustration and potentially jeopardizing your future. Keeping your green card current is a practical necessity, a responsible action, and not just a bureaucratic chore to be put off. The renewal process is routine, straightforward, and millions of permanent residents complete it every year without issue. It's a well-established procedure, designed to be accessible to everyone. By renewing on time, you avoid unnecessary stress, potential legal complications, and the risk of disrupting your life. Think of it like renewing your driver's license or any other important identification document. It's regular maintenance for a vital document that protects your rights and opportunities as a permanent resident. Don't let an expired card disrupt your life, jeopardize your opportunities, or create unnecessary anxiety. Stay proactive, plan ahead, and keep your green card valid to ensure a smooth and secure future in the United States. Before you start the process of renewing your green card, it's crucial to take a moment for careful preparation. This isn't just about filling out a form, it's about ensuring you meet all the necessary criteria for a seamless renewal experience. First and foremost, make sure you're eligible for a straightforward renewal. This involves a few key considerations that we'll walk you through. You must be a lawful, permanent resident. This means you've been granted the right to live and work permanently in the United States. And specifically, you need to have a 10-year green card that's either already expired or is expiring within the next 6 months. This time frame is important, so pay close attention to the expiration date on your card. Filing too early, that is, submitting your application more than 6 months before your green card's expiry date, will unfortunately get your application rejected. USCIS has specific processing windows, and filing outside of those can lead to automatic denial. Therefore, double-check your card's expiration date. Don't just guess, take a moment to verify the exact date printed on your card, and plan accordingly. Mark your calendar, set reminders, and give yourself ample time to gather the necessary documents and complete the application process. It's also essential that you are physically present in the US when you file your renewal application. You simply can't initiate the renewal process from abroad. The government requires your presence within the country during filing. If, unfortunately, your card expires while you're outside the US, the process of returning to the United States can become significantly more complicated. You might face delays or additional scrutiny at the port of entry. Furthermore, if you've encountered any legal trouble or have spent extended periods of time outside the US since obtaining your green card, it's highly advisable to consult with a qualified immigration lawyer before submitting your application. They can assess your specific situation and provide tailored guidance. It's important not to confuse the process of renewing a standard 10-year green card with the entirely separate procedure of removing conditions from a 2-year conditional green card. These are two distinct processes with different requirements. Conditional green cards necessitate a completely different process. Specifically, filing Form 1-751 if your conditional residency was based on marriage, or Form 1-829 if it was based on a business investment. Submitting the wrong form will inevitably lead to the rejection of your application and potentially significant delays in your immigration process. Therefore, meticulously plan your travel arrangements and your green card renewal timeline with great care and attention to detail. And finally, if you believe your personal situation presents any complexities or unusual circumstances, don't hesitate to seek professional legal advice from an experienced immigration attorney. Ultimately, filing the correct form at the appropriate time is absolutely key to ensuring a smooth and successful green card renewal process. Ready to renew? Start by gathering your current green card and making clear copies of both sides. If your card is lost or destroyed, use another government-issued photo ID. Have your full legal name, date of birth, country of birth, alien registration number, and address history handy. Decide whether to file online or by mail. Online is faster and more secure. Download the latest Form I-90 from the USCIS website if filing by mail, and double-check the mailing address. Assemble your documents, pay the correct fee, and you're set to begin. The Form I-90, while it might seem daunting at first glance, is actually quite straightforward. It's designed to be accessible even if you're not familiar with legal jargon, but only if you break it down into manageable sections. Approaching it step by step makes the whole process much less intimidating. Take your time, read each instruction carefully, and gather all the necessary documents before you begin. Part 1 is all about you. Enter your personal info. This includes your full legal name, your A number, your current address, and your date of birth. Make sure all the information you provide here is accurate and matches the information on your other immigration documents. If you've changed your name since you received your green card, be sure to include legal proof of the name change, such as a marriage certificate or court order. This is crucial for verifying your identity. Part 2 requires you to select the correct reason for your renewal. Carefully consider each option and choose the one that best describes your situation. In most cases, the reason for renewal is because your card is expiring soon or has already expired. Check the expiration date on your current green card to confirm. Double-check this section very carefully. Selecting the wrong choice can unfortunately get your application rejected, leading to unnecessary delays and complications. Part 3 is where you provide more details about your identity, including your place of birth and your current immigration status. You'll also need to explain how you initially obtained your green card. Be as specific as possible, providing dates and details about the process. Answer all questions about any prior removal proceedings or any instances where you may have abandoned your permanent resident status. It's crucial to answer these questions honestly and accurately. Remember, lying or providing false information on immigration forms has serious legal consequences. If you're unsure about how to answer any of these questions, it's always best to seek legal advice from a qualified immigration attorney. Once you've completed all the sections, carefully sign and date the applicant's statement. This signature certifies that all of your answers are true and correct to the best of your knowledge. If someone helped you complete the form, be sure to include their information in the designated section. This is important for transparency and accountability. Don't forget to pay the current filing and biometrics fees. It's crucial to always check the USCIS website for the most up-to-date information on fees and any other changes to the application process. Submitting incomplete or outdated forms, missing signatures on required documents, or including the wrong fees will undoubtedly delay the processing of your case. Therefore, it's essential to carefully review everything before submitting your application to USCIS. Taking the time to prepare a careful and thorough application will help you avoid unnecessary setbacks and increase your chances of a smooth and successful renewal process. After submitting Form I-90 and fees, you'll get a receipt notice. Keep it safe, as it extends your green card's validity. Next, you'll receive a biometrics appointment notice. Attend your appointment at the scheduled time. Bring your notice and a valid photo ID. At the center, your fingerprints, photo, and signature are collected for background checks. The process is quick, usually under 30 minutes, and there's no interview. If you can't attend, Reschedule promptly to avoid delays. Once biometrics are done, your application moves to final processing. If all is in order, you'll get an approval notice and your new green card by mail. Make sure USCIS has your current address. Update them if you move. Missing a notice or failing to update your address can cause major delays. Stay alert for any USCIS correspondence. With these steps, you're on track for a smooth renewal. Processing times for green card renewals vary anywhere from a few months to over a year. Check the USCIS website for current estimates based on your service center. Delays can happen if you forget to sign, pay the wrong fee, or miss required documents. Double-check everything before submitting. Background check issues or common names can also slow things down. If your case takes longer than posted times, update your contact info and submit a case inquiry online. The receipt notice extends your card's validity, so you can keep living and working while you wait. Patience is key, but staying organized helps avoid unnecessary delays. Respond promptly to any USCIS requests. Careful preparation is your best defense against long waits. Most renewals are approved, but denials happen, often due to simple mistakes. Filing the wrong form, missing documents, or incorrect fees are common reasons. More serious denials involve criminal convictions or evidence you've abandoned U.S. residence. Long absences abroad or foreign employment can raise red flags. Fraud or misrepresentation, past or present, can lead to denial and even removal proceedings. Always answer truthfully and consult an attorney if you have concerns about your history. If denied for procedural reasons, you can usually refile after correcting mistakes. For serious issues, legal help is essential. Honesty and accuracy are your best protection. Renewing your green card is essential for maintaining your life in the US. Start the process 6 months before your card expires to avoid gaps in your status. Filing online helps prevent errors and speeds things up. Double-check your application, sign it, and include all required documents and fees. Keep copies of everything and monitor your mail for USCIS notices. Attend your biometrics appointment and keep your receipt notice safe. If your case is complex, seek legal advice. Don't risk your status. Stay organized, respond quickly to USCIS, and be patient. With preparation and attention to detail, you'll keep your green card current and your future secure. Take charge of your renewal and continue building your life in the United States.